A plane flew from the Brazilian airport of Pampulha. But after a couple of minutes there was a malfunction on board, and who knows how the case would end. If it wasn't for cams activating this system, pilot released special emergency parachute, where the plane successfully landed, and none of the 6 passengers ended up hurt. CAPS allows you to save people when the motor is turned off, corkscrews, and even collisions. Pilot just press one button, and the system will not only release a parachute, but will also land the aircraft on its own. And also, the developers of CAPS invented Safe Turn, its landing autopilot, for light jet aircraft, Cirrus Vision SF-50, combination CAPS and Safe Turn. This is a new standard and maximum level of safety, comfort control for the pilot and passengers around the world. Sure, developers. LUF Nano Fire Robot Train. He's good at situations when people can't get to optimal for extinguishing zone because of too much fire, heat, or difficult terrain. The robot has 2 engines at once, so he will easily ride himself up to 250 kilograms or tow loads up to 500 kilograms. Thanks to such opportunities, robot good for transporting equipment and to evacuate victims, moving LUF Nano at speeds up to 15 km/h. If the route then lies on rough terrain, the ground clearance of the robot increases to 15 centimeters. And among the accessories for LUF Nano stands out system, letting you put it on the rails. Burnt electric vehicles. That's still frost for firefighters. Even when the flame is destroyed, the battery needs to be further cooled. Otherwise, there is a risk of fire. How to transport and store such dangerous goods? To solve these problems and created a system with she looks like a flex case. If you wrap it around the car and fill it with water, get a safety bubble and ANC, suitable for machines weighing up to 3.5 tons and can withstand loads up to 0.830 tons. The walls of the system are resistant to various chemicals, including hexafluor, phosphat UISA, which is often found in rechargeable batteries, and you can use each instance of Yachts several times. Man overboard, urgently run to Pelikan. This is the world's only rescue system, combining capture, fixing, and lifting the victim on board. The developers are confident that in the future she will make a revolution in equipping sailing yachts. Unfortunately, the Pelikan site closed a long time ago, and the company on the Kickstarter failed, not collecting 1/4 of the planned amount. Little is known. Made the system in Germany. It is mounted at any side in a couple of simple steps, ready for immediate use, and allows you to pull out not only people but also loads. The developers of SharkSafe Barrier, everything is serious about their creation. Even in peer-reviewed scientific journals wrote and checked SharkSafe Barrier not anywhere, and in the harsh conditions of the South African coast. What is SharkSafe Barrier? It is an effective and eco-friendly shark protection system. She portrays thick thickets of algae, in which these fish try not to swim. Magnets are used for attachment. They also contribute to scaring. After 4 years of testing on different sharks, including whites, SharkSafe efficiency was 100%. So this is a beautiful decision for tourist regions, with focus on beach holiday. But such a thing is called the lifeguard itself. If simplified, then it's a gas mask on minimals. In most cases, Rescuers themselves are made disposable. Yes, and they are designed for a short time, but putting them on is extremely easy. And the field of view is wider. In general, this is an ideal option for evacuation in case of fires, smoke, and other emergencies. On the screen is the model Zevs-U. She doesn't only approach adults, but also children over 12, and for 15 minutes protects against carbon monoxide, ammonia, nitrogen, and sulfur deactives, acrolein, and other threats. You can keep Zeus for 5 years. Besides, the lifeguard itself is compact, and taking into account the packaging, weighs less than a kilogram. Products, and with cutting systems helps save people on the ice. From helmets annoyed Zach. What does this company do? For example, yellow thing, bent like a horseshoe. Unusual life belt. It can withstand load up to 1,360 kilograms and has a buoyancy of 8 kilograms. Thus, it can be used as a sling as well, and as a life jacket. Skids aren't easy either. They are called arts and stand out low-profile design, especially relevant in windy weather. Weigh sled 13 kilograms. That allows even one lifeguard to handle them easily. They are also adapted for water and snow. That is always easy to slide and ready for the roll. Improvised raft. These are the insulation rapes, appeared even in the video of the Philippine Red Cross. They help transport patients without infecting everyone around. Scheme's simple. There is a fan in the stretcher, creating negative pressure, and filters are provided for air purification. Battery-powered fan, which is enough for about 10 hours. To give the patient water, food, and medicine. Provided 8 holes at the request of the customer, is not equipped with latex, butyl, or neoprene gloves. Imagine that you sit in a quarry excavator over 9 meters high, and suddenly it lights up. Such a technique often uses not even dozens and hundreds of liters of fuel per hour, so it's worth evacuating faster. Great if there is such a sleeve on the technique. He is not afraid of loading up to 300 kilograms, and so durable that the manufacturer is trusted by such giants like Liper and Hitachi. Well, and speed naturally. At altitude you can escape through your sleeve twice as fast than up the stairs is impressive. And also similar sleeves the same company makes for various buildings and structures, kind of silos. STRYKER Lux 3 Innovation, created for indirect heart massage. This device is more efficient and safer than classic hand massage. Together with the battery, it weighs 8 kilograms, works from 1 charge to 45 minutes, no patient weight restrictions, and activates so fast that transition from manual massage to mechanical only takes 7 seconds. Besides, the STRYKER bow with 3 stitched algorithms, which determine the ideal purity and strength of massage, focusing on patient parameters. Working reports device throws over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth compared to hand massage. Blood flow to the brain increases by 60% and the load on doctors and decreases. Now their hands are free for others, equally important tasks. Dräger team development resembles a hideout from Fallout. There they were bigger and were built to save from nuclear war. In Dräger build more compact, since putting their shelter will be in mine if an emergency happens. Model Mercy 5000 in top performance will accommodate 20 people and will work fully offline for 96 hours. Oxygen will come from the cylinders, and carbon dioxide will remove the regenerative plant, which at the same time organize positive excess pressures. Also in the shelter provided toilet and communication system, for more convenient transportation. His design is complete with poses, under forklift, and mounting ear. First rack lift. Cutting jack RJ1. Developers collected decades ago, special for fire department. And just look what they came to, by far their most powerful persistent. Cutting jack Super X ladder raises to 2,722 kilograms. And at 30 centimeters by default, and at 60 after additional setting. Total length of top modification Super Extract, 0 to 30 meters is enough, including for working with cars. At the end of the racks is the Sergi element, which rotates 360 degrees. Produces super aluminum alloy extract, 6061 T6 just like airplane fuselages. Once in Britain analyzed accident statistics. And it turned out, motorcyclists are 13 times more likely to be injured in accidents than car drivers. Let's take a look at the Helite Moto firm, and let's see, what does she suggest for lowering this stats? How do you like a jacket with a built-in airbag, which activates in a second? Such will save even the neck. For lovers, Racetrack's company will make vest and GP. He's protecting his back and rib cage. Fully autonomous, tailored with an emphasis on aerodynamics. And also it was in Helite Moto that they made the world's first jeans with airbags. They inflate in 150 milliseconds and effectively protect that tailbone, that femoral arteries. You say developers have too. There is reason for pride. View on screen. World's most advanced drone hybrid. And lifeline. He is so durable. What will survive falling off a cliff, oil platform, or helicopter, and go to the drowning at speeds up to 15 km/h, and the power is enough to tow a person to the boat, or shore to manage. You say developers offer intuitive remote control. Control range, depending on conditions, reaches 500 meters. Arranged lighting allows you to use it effectively even at night. In general, USEV turned out so successful that received positive feedback from rescuers, pro, and from the US Coast Guard. Smoky stairs and corridors, able to turn quickly into a death trap. Therefore, German fire safety consultants offer these canvases. The essence of the one phrase of the canvas does not interfere with extinguishing and evacuation, but help reduce the spread of smoke and heat. Sounds simple, but the less in the way of smoke evacuation, the better the visibility and the lower the risk of poisoning people. Besides using canvases, easier to control, ventilation of premises during carbon monoxide removal, and soot. Completes today's release Smoke Bomb and IKAROS. She stands out among competitors by her ability to swim, and the smoke is so thick that is visible from several kilometers. Each checker works for 3 minutes and comes in a sturdy steel case with a brush. Clear instruction. To activate it is enough to remove the lid, pull the loop, and throw the checker in the water. And also, IKAROS is such a thoughtful thing that meets the latest standards. International Convention, Safety of Life at Sea. Yes, such a smock, he is a fence, worthy of respect on a row with the legendary song Dipperpool. And today we're talking about the EQUALIZER, adjustable handle system. The EQUALIZER is the first precision manufactured adjustable handle system made specifically for all Cascade Rescue Company litters. It will also fit several other brand name letters. It's available in both titanium and stainless versions. and features up to 24 different handle positions. This capability allows the rescuers to put both downward and upward pressure on the litter, increasing maneuverability and reducing rescuer effort. Used in combination with Cascade Rescue, Trail Technician Terra Tamer or Train Master. As featured here, two-person carryouts are now a reality. I'm so appreciative for your support and trust, which has consistently fueled my passion for creating engaging content. It's the support of people like you that keeps me motivated to keep the content fresh and captivating. So, thank you once again. I hope you've enjoyed the videos we've shared so far, and I look forward to creating many more for your continued enjoyment. Wishing all of you a fantastic day ahead. May luck be by your side. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Thank you for tuning in. Until we meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching.